FastFlux AI has just hit the scene, and it's already making waves as one of the most anticipated AI tools of 2025. But what exactly makes it stand out? In this video, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about FastFlux AI, whether you're an entrepreneur, marketer, or business owner looking for cutting-edge technology. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one because by the end, you'll have all the insight you need to decide if FastFlux AI is your next must-have tool. First off, FastFlux AI is designed to simplify the way businesses approach digital marketing. Unlike traditional software, FastFlux offers real-time insights and actionable data, making it ideal for those who want to make quick, informed decisions. It's not just another tool, it's an AI-powered powerhouse that adapts to your needs, automatically tweaking campaigns to optimize performance. And yes, the best part, you can try FastFlux AI for free by using the first link below, so stick around to learn exactly why this software is worth your attention. What really makes FastFlux AI special is its ability to learn from data. It doesn't just analyze past performance. It predicts future trends, helping you stay ahead of the competition. It tracks your digital marketing efforts across multiple platforms, from social media ads to email campaigns, and provides insights that help you optimize your strategies in real time. This means you're not just reacting to the market, you're anticipating it. But here's where it gets even more interesting. FastFlux AI integrates seamlessly with the most popular marketing platforms like Google Ads, Facebook, and more. For those who've tried to juggle multiple tools at once, FastFlux offers a level of ease and efficiency that you simply won't find in other software. It's all in one, and that's a huge time saver for marketers who want to streamline their workflow. Another key point, FastFlux AI's user interface is incredibly intuitive. Even if you're new to AI-driven marketing tools, you'll find it easy to get started. The dashboard is clean, the data is presented in an actionable format, and the setup process is straightforward. It's perfect for those who want powerful AI without the steep learning curve that often comes with it. FastFlux also supports customizability. You can tailor the software to fit the unique needs of your business, whether you're a small startup or an established enterprise. The software allows you to personalize campaigns based on your audience's behavior, ensuring that your marketing efforts are not only efficient, but also deeply relevant. What about customer support? FastFlux AI really shines in this department. They offer 24/7 live support, and their team is known for being incredibly responsive. So if you ever hit a snag, you won't be left hanging. Lastly, let's talk about pricing. Although it's a new tool on the market, FastFlux AI is surprisingly affordable compared to some of the bigger players out there. If you're looking for a way to get cutting-edge AI without breaking the bank, this is a great option. Now, I know there are a ton of AI software solutions out there, but after trying thousands of them, FastFlux AI is my go-to for businesses looking to optimize their marketing and stay ahead of the curve. You'll find a link to it in the description, along with some of my other recommended AI tools that you can try for free. So, is FastFlux AI the best just released AI software for you? If you're looking for something that blends powerful AI capabilities with user-friendly design and real-time optimization, then absolutely. It's a tool you'll definitely want to check out. Don't forget to try it free from the link below. And remember, I've got my top picks for AI software in the description as well, tested and recommended after trying hundreds. Thanks for watching.